What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best digital microscopes for biology. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1, Celestron Binocular NV20X1-80X. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-packed biological microscope, the Celestron Binocular NV20X1-80X is an excellent choice. This microscope is designed to meet the needs of both beginners and advanced users, offering a wide range of magnification options and convenient features. HD camera for high-quality imaging. One of the standout features of the Celestron Binocular NV20X1-80X is its built-in HD camera. This allows you to capture high-quality images and videos of your microscopic examinations. With a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels, the camera delivers sharp and detailed visuals, enabling you to preserve and study your findings with ease. The included Windows software makes it simple to transfer and view your images on a computer screen. Versatile illumination options. This microscope offers both transmitted and incident light sources, providing flexibility for different types of specimens. The LED light can be adjusted to 6 different brightness levels, ensuring optimal illumination for your observations. The incident light feature is particularly useful when examining objects that are not higher than 4 millimeters, as it allows you to illuminate them from above, revealing intricate details. Number 2, Swift SW380T. The Swift SW380T is a highly regarded compound microscope that offers exceptional performance and versatility. Designed for clinicians, high school, and university science students, as well as enthusiastic hobbyists, this microscope combines sleek design with advanced features. Professional seed-and-toff head and interchangeable eyepieces. The Swift SW380T is equipped with a professional seed-and-toff head that can be fully rotated, making it ideal for shared use in educational or laboratory settings. The microscope features interchangeable wide-field 10x and to 5x glass eyepieces fixed at an ergonomic 30-degree tilt to reduce neck strain during prolonged use. The eyepieces can be easily adjusted for different interpupillary distances without losing focus, ensuring comfortable viewing for users of varying preferences. Multiple magnification levels. With the Swift SW380T, you have access to a range of magnification levels to observe tiny details of specimen slides. The microscope comes with Ferdinand achromatic objectives mounted in a revolving turret, providing 6 magnification options: 40x, 100x, to 50x, for 00x, 100x, and to 50x. Number 3, Celestron CM800 Compound Microscope. The Celestron CM800 Compound Microscope is a reliable and feature-packed microscope designed for laboratory use. With its impressive 800x magnification power and a range of objective lenses and eyepieces, this microscope offers excellent versatility for observing various specimens. Powerful magnification and optics. The Celestron CM800 Compound Microscope is equipped with 10x and 20x eyepieces and for x, 10x, and 40x objective lenses. This combination allows for a range of magnification levels, enabling you to view specimens at 40x, 100x, 250x, 400x, and an impressive 800x magnification. Whether you're examining cells, microorganisms, or intricate structures, this microscope provides the clarity and detail needed for accurate observations. Adjustable LED illumination. To ensure optimal lighting conditions, the Celestron CM800 features built-in adjustable upper and lower LED illumination. This allows you to control the brightness and focus of the light source, ensuring clear visibility of your specimens. Number 4, National Geographic Dual LED Microscope. The National Geographic Dual LED Microscope is a unique and engaging microscope designed to captivate the curiosity of young scientists. With its dual LED lights and comprehensive set of accessories, This microscope offers versatile exploration of both biological specimens and 3D objects. Two microscopes in one, the National Geographic Dual LED Microscope provides the convenience of two microscopes in a single device. Use the lower LED lights to view biological specimens on slides, and effortlessly switch over to the upper lights for examining 3D objects in intricate detail. This dual functionality adds versatility to the microscope, allowing young scientists to explore a wide range of specimens and objects with ease. Comprehensive accessory package, this microscope comes with over 50 accessories, making it a complete kit for scientific exploration. The package includes a curated set of 10 prepared slides, showcasing a variety of biological specimens. Additionally, it provides blank slides, covers, tweezers, and an eyedropper, allowing children to create their own slides and conduct personalized experiments. Number 5 Amscope OMAX 40x200x Lab LED Binocular Microscope. The Amscope OMAX 40x200x Lab LED Binocular Microscope is a high-quality microscope designed for advanced scientific exploration. With its impressive magnification range, superior optics, and durable construction, this microscope provides researchers, educators, and enthusiasts with the tools needed for detailed observations. Powerful magnification and superior optics, the Amscope OMAX microscope offers a wide magnification range from 40x to an astounding 200x. This versatility allows users to examine specimens in fine detail and explore the microscopic world with precision. The microscope features wide-field WF10x and WF20x eyepieces, along with achromatic DIN for X, 10x for OXS, and 10XS oil objectives. The combination of these optics delivers clear, sharp, and accurate images for accurate scientific analysis. Adjustable viewing head and mechanical stage. The viewing head of the Amscope OMAX microscope is inclined at 45 degrees, offering comfortable viewing angles for extended periods. It can also swivel 360 degrees, allowing for easy sharing and collaboration among multiple users. The sliding adjustable interpupillary distance ensures a customizable fit for different individuals. The double-layer XY mechanical stage with scales provides precise control and movement of the specimen, facilitating accurate positioning and observation. Enhanced illumination and focus control. The microscope is equipped with a transmitted LED light source for lower illumination. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video.